Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khobor baman takasngi. Ka kinhun ki nongtrei ka tnat bording ka CCORMAU kala pelong ya ka jingyalang jongki ban persya ya ka sarkar MDA bakamla ban siu tulop yaki. Ya kata ka jingyalang la penya do president CCORMAU uba RGP Chulen ha kabaki pinsngo baka sengi nongtrei ka tnat bording kim tieng bandawai ka hong lada kisha kem ne sha set patong. Watla ka sarkar jilla ka pynmih hukum ba om ban pelong jingya ki pat ba ya ki seng emergency service namar kakta ya ki pat ba pinsngo ki te ki nong yalam ka CCORMAU.
Snowmo, kijo snowmo ya kani kijing od jungi ki nongtrei hang ni po MEECL. Bakin ban phai lang kin pin smaulam ya kata kijing longjong kani ka organization jungi hang ni bakala dan hapdeng kijing ka bakraw. Daki benai ni haban ya mi pat ba akum ni. Dan mo na pedeng jong kita ki leader, lani kita ki political leader ki ban ya perkhatlam na kabenta jungi ndrai em kapelong ba ngihi ngi haban yeng ban ya pertama ba na kabenta kan ni. But sasisian ngat nyetho ya pi ba wat yengi ki nongtrei nong belahang ni kita ki contractual ru ngilawan kata ka jing pindom yengi na marbalai ba man bangi yele ya ki demand but ya regularization ru kadai hakaliang bakala kular ban ai yengi ban pen kre kata ke policy hado mentang ngimpat UE ya kata
kababiang ngim ju cross yak si filterik re pelse menta kawan dia sabisar hima fi pajba ke kabajia yengi nado uar hajar arpeu ngila don hangne re menta ngi kwa biang dalade yalade ngim kwa ban mi sakna kamadan ngi seu le rain ban mi re ngim ban se ban mi dei halor kana ganong rim ba lada jia ban yaki kumno ru nak leng nang jong kame khalaya power workers union ni la declare himanta kasni bangin ai full support lada longkat balong lada dei bandrung hajal ru ni kloi ban le ngim khain ni la thai we are tired and fed up with the promise of today, next week, tomorrow, next week. It keep on promising, but we are suffering. Today, halor kena ganong rim, ba mana step ngilashim yakarai, nak liang nang jong ke union jongi, ke Meghalaya Power Workers Union, yin ay ya ke support 100%, ya ke coordination committee, lada long hakano kano ke bentaru, nyim salia. Hoi kidon kita kian, kiba ke government kong ba, nyimla ban yiki nyimla ban ayu ndre ngadon ka an yengiru ban im kadon ka an yengiru ban im yimdai ban yap ka government kala ban inbang ya kita ki an baper ndre perkhat ya ka fundamental rights ke jongi ka ba wi ngi don ka hok ban im we have the rights to live kumno ngila ban im claim ka salary ki nongtrei MECL ngai thu ipi ki dai ki nongtrei ki ba tipsni ki ba trei hok ya ka kam kaba kalai kamdai bandu kadai ban long wait 24/7 uninterrupted power supply and give our salary also uninterrupted within even 1 month. Give him time. We are happy. We have no other issue. Nak leng nang jong Meghalaya Power Workers Union him don kano issue is only salary.
What I want to say here, I would like to start my speech with enough is enough. Enough is enough. I don't want. This is not our doing. This is not our doing. We are here not because we want to be here. We are compelled to be here. Like Bashulet said, the agenda today is just about salary. It is true. Just about salary. Many times, years ago, we went to the management regarding salary. It is embarrassing. Salary is our constitutional right. If it's delayed, we will think it is denied. You give us reasons that because we cannot pay salary because of this, because of that. Yes, we have understood many times. Based on our meetings, we have understood because we have to pay we have to pay loans, we have to pay power purchase. But the management does not understand that we are suffocating. We have been lenient all this while, all these years. How is it possible that only the employees have to understand regarding salary?